All right, what's going on, everybody? Back again here with another video, Diamond DeFi, and yeah, we just had another amazing week in Cryptex between my account and my wife's account. We've got another 53,000 made last week, which is just incredible. When you just think like, man, like in 7 days, right? In 7 days, we were able to accumulate that much simply just from buying our contract. So just a quick update. I currently have 80 contracts under my account, and my wife has 101. That's just kind of how we have it set up right now. But she actually made more money in her account than me for the first time in the week, and I figured that was going to happen at some point. But that's fine because it's all going into one big pot as we continue to move forward in our Cryptex journey. But another amazing week, y'all. And like I said, this is just simply from buying contracts. This isn't from referrals. This isn't from any other additional income. This is purely just compound interest, the staking, and just how Cryptex works from the foundational point of view. Right? It's based on long-term, high starting balance staking, right? And so these contracts are paying out ridiculous returns. And so if you do happen to come across this video, this isn't an accident. This is your opportunity to start your journey to change your life. And people are slowly coming on board. My initial goal in joining Cryptex was, I'm like, oh, let me go out here and get 100 people so I can become leader and all of that. It wasn't that. My initial goal was, let me secure my own stuff first before I start really pushing it. And so, we got over 181 contracts. Our goal is to get to 260, 130 each, and we should be able to get that by the end of this year. That's our initial goal, but if not, by early next year. But the power of these contracts, guys, like you're seeing 53K this week. The last other 2 weeks was like 46K and 49K. Like, as you can see, the compound interest is continuing little by little. It might be like $2 or $3, but you do that over a number of contracts, it adds up. So I would just say, like, hey, if you're not in Cryptex, give it a serious consideration. I know that a lot of people are struggling right now and they can't even fathom, like, to put $100 into this, but that $100, in 2 years could turn into 22,000, or in 3 years, 35,000. You're like, well, why I gotta wait so long? Well, that's just the way the platform is set up, right? You're gonna have to sacrifice a little bit now to get a lot later, okay? And Cryptex might not always have these contracts. They've sold out of contracts before. They might sell out again because Cryptex is growing every day. I'm seeing other people and other teams, they're adding 10,000 members a month almost, right? And those members are buying contracts. Obviously, you can't be a member unless you buy a contract. So I implore you that if you're still watching this video, you need to take a serious look at this platform, because it will change your life at some point. It might not change your life right away, but if you give it an opportunity and you give it a chance to truly come in and operate in a way where you buy the contracts and you make a wealth plan to start your Cryptex wealth journey, like, you will become a wealthy person. And it doesn't take many contracts to do that, right? It's just that me and my wife, like, hey, we seen this platform, we've seen enough proof, and we decided to go all in, and we want to make generational wealth, not just for us, but for our family, for our kids, for our loved ones. We want to be able to help everybody out. So we're not just thinking about us when we're utilizing this platform. And so we're more than past our halfway point, but you can see what the performance is with our contracts. And so next week we'll have the monthly update, and I do think that we are on board for a $200,000 month. We should be on track for a $200,000 month for the month of August, and which was just absolutely incredible. I mean, to make 200K in a month. In a month. Let me say that one more time. In a month. It just does not happen. It just does not happen. So I cannot stress this enough. I see so many videos of people struggling, people hurting. Like, you gotta take a serious look at this and get yourself at least 5 contracts, 3 contracts. Get what you can at this point. Get what you can. If you don't even get one, then get one. Like, I'm gonna get to the point where I want to help people, but I'm not at that point yet. I still gotta reach my goals. But once I do, I will try to help people get into Cryptex. But thank y'all for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one.